Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to the Republic of Moldova. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this official website of Ministry of Foreign Affairs and European Integration of the Republic of Moldova. So here we have the link to apply now. So for like, I'm going to put some sample, but you do it as per your own case. Nationality, do it as per your own case. You need to put email, verify email, put the code, and then complete the file. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see. So once you do that, it sends an email with a code, and then on the same page, you can click on continue application, put the file number, email and verification code, this one, and click on continue application. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to, okay. So now it proceeds. Date and place of birth. So do it as per your own case. Don't do what I am doing. Place of birth, check your passport. Okay. Locality, then state, province, and then country, region. So I'm just locality. I'm just doing something straight. I'll remove this. Citizenship. Have you ever had or do you have another citizenship? India does not allow dual citizenship. So at present it's not possible. National and ID document. I have checked not applicable, but if you have definitely provide. In India, you have many such things like Aadhaar, PAN. Gender, marital status. I select single. Address and phone number. Put proper address. Phone number. Minor, no. Occupation, select as per your own case. I click on next. Travel document. See, these are becoming like under progression. I select passport, passport number. Every detail that you enter in this form, make sure you verify 2 times. Check your passport for all such details and everything should match. Issue date. Yeah, another passport document travel. Do you reside in a country other than citizenship country? Visa request type. So I select tourism. Number of entry, I select 1. Length of stay in days. Let's say you're gonna stay for 15 days. Valid when you want it, let's say October. Other visa, do you have any other entry visa in Republic of Moldova issued in last 12 months? I select no. EU or Schengen, do you have a valid visa resident issued by a European Union member state, UK, Northern Ireland, USA, Canada, or any other states? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that info. Destination country, because visa is a transit visa, otherwise check not applicable. So I select not applicable. City of arrival, city of departure. So I'm leaving it, but definitely provide that information. Reservation round-way tickets, yes. Flight number. Travel by car, I select no. Maintenance means are travel cost and other costs during stay supported by you, by the applicant? How? Credit card, accommodation. Provide all the information that you have. Accommodation unit. Unit, hotel and its address. So I select hotel address. Of course, if you are booked, you'd have this information. Phone All the information, email, everything you provide. Have you filled the sponsorship and or private accommodation commitment? I select no. Medical insurance. You need to have a medical insurance. Other visa fee is not refunded if the visa is refused. 40 euro. Wow. Not applicable. The applicant is eligible to be exempted for visa in the following cases. I select no. Wow. For under 18, there's no fee. Wow. Payment. You have to click on pay and do. Of course, I'm not gonna do. After that, you will be attaching your document. And then terms and condition you have to accept. But again, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.